I'm Felipe Ruiz, and this is Solar 60. I'm here at Astrotech Space Operations Cleanroom, where thermal technicians are installing the flight thermal blankets on the Parker Solar Probe spacecraft. With me is Wallis, Parker Solar Probe's lead thermal multi-layer insulation engineer. Eric, why do you cover the spacecraft with blankets? We're going to the sun. Why do you need the blankets to stay warm?
True, but we spend most of our mission out in space where temperatures are extreme. An unblanketed portion of a spacecraft can range from negative 364 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Our thermal blankets help regulate temperatures on board the spacecraft at about room temperature, which is the optimal operating temperature for our onboard electronics and instruments.
Tell us about the team that's responsible for fabricating and installing the blankets on Parker Solar Probe.
The team is amazing. Our thermal blanket technician is Neal Bachtell. He has 30 plus years of thermal blanket experience. Neal is assisted by Tony Ahan, Lynsey Gwilliam, and Helen O'Conner. They create the blankets from scratch, using layers of different fabrics and tapes. They use aluminized Kapton, embossed Kapton, Stay-Met, and other special materials. The team uses heavy-duty sewing machines to stitch together the fabric layers, sometimes utilizing steel lace thread. All of the panels are hand-cut and sometimes hand-stitched. It takes hundreds and hundreds of hours to fabricate the thermal blankets you see protecting Parker Solar Probe.
Thanks, Eric. That's it from the cleanroom at Astrotech. I'm Felipe Ruiz, and this is Solar 60.